Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Wallet by BudgetBakers. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is go to a player app store, search for BudgetBakers and download and install. Now for the first time we want to go ahead and open it up. Then from here, just skip through all the intro and then sign in below to create a secure account. So we've got three different options: connect with Google, connect with Facebook, or sign in using email. But for this demonstration, I'm going to connect to my Google account. Okay, so once you've signed in, it's going to synchronize. Then from here, we need to go ahead and select the base currency. So I'm in Australia, so I want to choose AUD, but you've got a lot here to pick from. So I'm going to set that AUD and then click confirm. Then set up your cash balance. So how much cash do you have in your physical wallet? So go ahead and put that in like so. You can go ahead and skip if you like. Now we need to go ahead and secure your wallet app. So enable biometric authentication to safely log in. So I'm going to allow that. It's going to be a black screen because I'm going to use my thumbprint. All right, done. And I'm going to click on to finish. Now after this, we can go ahead and allow wallet to send notifications if you like. Now once you're inside of here for the first time, we can go ahead and start using it. So to do that, go ahead and click on the blue plus icon so we can add in income, we can add expenses or transfers. So for this, I'm going to add, say I got paid, so I want to put in 2 grand. Should let, oh, here we go. So I'm going to use this 2 grand. And then from here, we can cash. So this is income, cash, and then I can add a category if I like. So say $200 came from, say, investments, and I'm just going to keep investments and then click on the plus icon. Then from here, it's going to come back to account and it's going to see we have been added in 2 grand. Now we can also add account if you like. So you can go ahead and click on a bank sync, pay and track, investments, file import, manual import. So if you want to do that, you can. We've got join our premium club so you can maximize your financial potential. Wallet will do all the heavy lifting, cancel anytime. We got expenses, structure, and then from here it's got your last records overview and also your balance trend, upcoming plan payments, etc. So say if I want to put in an expense, so say this expense is going to be for $250 and it's going to be for diesel in my ute. So I'm going to click on 250 and then cash and categories. I'm going to change this to vehicle and then I'm going to put in fuel. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the tick icon. So as you can see, it minus $250. And we can go ahead and click on account details. So you can see here, if we scroll down, this is your available cash. Now we can see the last 30%, or 30 days, it's going to give us a percent increase or decrease. See how you're going with your money. Now if we scroll down, it's going to say last records overview. What was the last transaction I made? So it's going to log that all here. If we click show more, it's going to show you for the last 7, 30 days, 12 weeks, 6 months, a year, which is cool. Now if we go back here, come back to home, now we can set up budgets and goals if you like. So you can go ahead and create a budget. So start with budgets to have an efficient overview of your spending limits, and also you can set some goals. So set your first goal and have a quick overview of your progress. So say if I want to set a goal, I'm going to click create goal and now name this goal. So if it's for a new vehicle, new home, education, whatever it is, I'm just going to say it is for a new cricket bat. So I'm just going to type in cricket bat. And now I'm going to click on create goal. Now target amount is going to be, say, $1,100. Click on insert. Now saved already. So you can put in the amount you've saved. So say if I put away $250, I'm going to click on insert. Now desired date, you can change this whenever, but say I'm going to give myself a date. So I'm going to scroll down here. Might need to do this manually. So 2026, and it's going to be, say, by in the year's time. Gold color, we can change that if we like. So I'm going to keep it probably red. Icon and notes, so you can add some notes into it and just click on the tick icon. So cool. So we got our goals here, and budgets just do the same for that. So that's basically a quick overview of how to use Wallet by BudgetBakers.